Along the dramatic coastline of Donegal sits the historic village of Dunfanaghy, where time and tide combine in a unique Irish landscape. A welcoming beacon for those looking to explore the rugged coast and beyond. Dunfanaghy Workhouse has extended the hand of friendship since 1845, and this proud tradition continues. Today it stands as a powerful symbol of resilience and respect to this important chapter in Irish history, and is a hive of activity for visitors and community alike. A friendly hub of local knowledge and a venue for authentic Irish arts, culture and history. Our exhibition gives a fascinating insight into the lives lived at the workhouse during the Great Famine, told through the eyes of survivor wee Hannah Herity. Pop into our cinema to catch a glimpse of local life in times gone by. And kids of all ages will love the outdoor play park. Browse our craft store for the perfect authentic gift, or unwind over coffee in our cosy cafe. Our staff love to share information on the best local places to visit and explore, often off the beaten path. A warm welcome awaits at Dunfanaghy Workhouse, where history is shared and great adventures begin.